So we had 21 helicals, I believe. We ran into a little bit of a big footing, so our first week we were basically a lot of digging, a lot of chipping, a lot of hauling out concrete. But other than that, this week was all install, cutting, capping, a lot of installs, and we're gonna be doing concrete tomorrow. This house was an average about an inch to like a half inch around the house. The worst is at the front of the house. It's down about an inch and 1.1 inches. Throughout the whole house was only stabilization. We have one interior pier too, and that one is also getting stabilized. Yeah, so basically getting those piers in and us stabilizing these piers prevents further sinkage throughout the foundation. And it's good to see it at this point. 1 inch is good because now they're just, you know, an inch to a half inch down throughout the whole house compared to a lot of houses we go to where they're already down 5 inches, and through so many buyers and sellers of houses, and stuff just opens up throughout the whole lift. And yeah, it's just a whole new game whenever you get up to a lift with that many inches trying to recover. Yeah, so basically we're just cleaning up. Tomorrow is gonna be our big concrete day, so we're gonna put in the rebar that we do have, into the existing slabs, and yeah, do a little bit of PVC, have my little buddy do some little bit more stuff. That's about it though. Other than that, we're just gonna clean up, make sure the homeowner's happy, get his house nice and clean, and get up out of here.